and we can delete it. Okay, already in the selected position, selected mode, so we can press the delete button and delete the object. Next we will go for the polygon. Okay, create a polygon. So polygon, multiple side. So here also first we have to click on the model space at some point, then drag it and leave it. So we have gives different number of sides, and also there is an options to give some angle of rotation if you want to give to this object, the polygon, and also you can specify what should be the center point of the polygon, also the radius by which it means the size of the polygon. Again gives 150 means that will be from center to the x corner point, the distance will be 150. So this way we came to know how to create a polygon also. We will delete it. Now we will go, one more option is in the same row, that is create stars. Just leave the button there. So star option will be coming up. Here also click for the center point, drag with mouse pressed, leave the mouse, again move the mouse inside and click at particular point, then this star will be created. So number of points, whatever you want to change, you can change the angle also. If you want to change, you can change the center point also. You want to change, you can change, as we explained in the previous command. Here two more values are the radius of the outer side and radius of the inner point. So this also you can change according to your requirement. Then you can create the object, then thus the star is created. Delete. The next command is arc. Arc, just click the icon arc. There is a different types of arc creations, so different way we can create the arc, what all point, what all values we want to give, like that. So generally we use the second option, so it comes as a default, and this is the one of the easy way and best way and most common way to create an arc. In that, as it is shown here, first we have to show the start point. Okay, I will just click one point, it taken as the start point. Okay, then end point. If I imagine the arc ends here, then I click it here, it gives the end point of the arc. Now one more point I have to show somewhere on top of the curve. Okay, I give it here, means I have to click here, so the arc will be formed. This is the way how we can create arc in the ArtCam software. So cancel, delete the object. Next we will go for the text command. For that we have to give click text. Okay, so some error. Okay, leave it. So there text command. So in text command, what it will be there? So in text command, generally we have to type the letter. Okay, some letter if you want to type. For that, some size will be there, some font will be there. That also you can generally, as you are using in Word or any other Microsoft software. So this one we can do like that, something like that, all the best. So the object has been created. So this is the text one. Text is created. This text we can just move the mouse like this, and whenever you see this plus, this kind of sign, you just press the left mouse button and drag it. So that way we can move this element. Also we have if you keep bring on top of this corner node, we can just again drag it to change the size like this. In any other node also we can change the size, and also there is an options to rotate like this, also option is there. But this all comes in some other command as transform, even though it is given here also in a combined way. I'm not going to discuss the transform and all at this text command. just to teach you how to create a text, the plain text here. Then I'm just create it and then cancel. Okay, so I'm just delete again. I'm just deleting it. Once again I want to create a text. This is to teach you how to wrap text along a curve. So if suppose I have an arc like this, or some other curve I'm going to make with a polyline like this, so like this, and create and close. Okay, like this. So that way, that time if I want to wrap a text along one of this curve, like whatever the text I want to, I have to click here and to write the words wrap text along curve. So this is the text I want to create. So I just bring down the size little bit down, so that given 20. Okay, so this is the size. So this one somewhere I will just reduce 15 so that it will exactly sit with the. Okay. Now if I want to wrap the text along this curve, I have to select this curve, then this one here on a curve, just opening it up, you can see select curve button. After selecting the curve on the model space, you have to click on the select curve button. So you can see that text has formed around the curve. Okay, if you want this text on this particular curve again, then what you have to do, you have to cancel that curve, select a new curve, then click on this curve. See that text is formed on the new curve. Here also just position the curve. Now it's above line, and you can move it to the base line and all, then to the center accent, like center the point, then also below the line also you can bring it. Also specify some distance, like the text is 10 mm away from the curve, like that. Also we can bring the text to the other side. Now so like a mirror, it comes in the other side. Also we can fit the curve also. Now the size is little big, so nothing, everything will be looking same now. So now the stretch to fit type curve is formed. Now is formed some a line that this much only the form. Then sweep around curve also is there. Then vertical, so vertical means it will be created in a vertical fashion. Okay, hope that you can, this is a vertical fashion, it will be created. See, then align, see align the curve. So then sweep around, so this much, this sweep around is the style, you know, the verticality of the text along with the perpendicular to the curve, like that. The stretch means it will stretch throughout the curve. So this is the way we can wrap the text along the curve. So this is the basic form of vector creations available in ArtCam. I have covered it in a very general and very simple way, which are very useful to you to create further editing and 3D